Welcome to Taste Japan Opus. Here, every dish is a story of beauty and flavor. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the essence of Japan through its exquisite cuisine. Introducing Chichibu's local specialty, waraji katsu. This hearty dish features 2 large pork cutlets served on a bed of rice, inspired by the shape of traditional straw sandals called waraji. Crispy, juicy, and full of flavor, it's a true taste of Chichibu.
これインパクトあるな。カロリーの塩分だらけ。
Chichibu is surrounded by beautiful nature, making it the perfect place for a relaxing walk after a hearty meal. Breathe in the fresh mountain air and enjoy the peaceful scenery that captures the charm of rural Japan.
なんだこれお札貼ってるぞ。川やから結構市民とかおるんやね、やっぱね。岩出川やったっけ、何やったっけ、流れてる大きい川。木の川。